Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today, let's talk about Vata, Pitta, and Kapha Dosha and how we can balance them. You see, the universal life force, it manifests itself in the form of three different energies, which are the three doshas, the Vata, Kapha, and the Pitta. And these are, it's very important that we have them aligned in the right way within ourselves for our complete physical and mental and emotional well being, because if they are imbalanced, then it can be detrimental to our well-being. So let's start with Vata dosha. Vata dosha is characterized by a lot of air and space. We see people with Vata dosha, they have a lot of air inside them, a lot of it's like, you'll see they feel bloated, there's flatulence, their skin is very dry, they're constipated, they have racing minds, they find it difficult to sleep, they're very restless, and they don't know what to do about it. So what you can do is that the first thing is that you get yourself off all raw and uncooked food. That means try to avoid salads, try to avoid cold foods. Go in for warm fluids like soups, go in for well cooked vegetables, go in for well cooked food. That's the important part. The fruits which are very good for you are bananas and avocados, and the grain which will really work well with you is wheat. It's very important to have it, and there are certain spices. By having these, you will benefit a lot. So you have to have ginger, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, add some garlic to your food, and add some nutmeg. So you will see that you'll start feeling better, and also some mustard seeds. So the Vata will, as the Vata starts getting balanced by having all these foods and by refraining from, raw foods, you'll start feeling better. Also, you must add some nice, good cow ghee or some sesame oil or some almond oil to your diet. It's very important. Now, the second is we come to Pitta dosha. Pitta dosha is like when there is an increase of fire element in your body. So what happens is that you see that such a person will be very aggressive, will be angry, will have a breakout in the skin, and will the skin will be overly sensitive. And so the first thing that you have to refrain from is having very spicy, very hot foods. Go in for cooler foods, have more of salads, have more of cucumbers, go in for all the melons, have a lot of mint, have a lot of coriander, and basmati rice is very good for you. And avoid fatty and very greasy and very spicy foods. Okay, try to start having soft, that's fennel and cardamom. That'll do you good. Then we come to the Kapha Dosha. Kapha Dosha is, when there is an increase in the earth element in your body. And by Kapha Dosha, we mean that, you feel that you have you feel that your skin is very oily. You have to start avoiding oily and very greasy foods, and the grain which is going to agree with you is barley or buckwheat. And also you can have all the pungent and the astringent type of foods like turnip, radish, spinach, the bitter gourds, the ridge gourds. All these foods are very good for you. So I'm sure you will be able to now balance your doshas, identify them, and align them better for your overall well-being. Thank you.